Do this on TikTok to start attracting your ideal clients. The truth is that you don't need crazy number of followers and crazy number of views to make sales on TikTok. You can begin making sales even with 100 followers, 200 followers, even before reaching 1,000 followers. Now, this is what you need to do. You need to be clear on your message. When you speak to your clients, just speak to one person at a time. Don't speak to the entire TikTok, because that will overwhelm you and make you fumble on your words and thinking, oh my God, I wonder if they're listening. Just focus on the one person. This is something I told my clients to do. They can cut out a little bit of image from a magazine, or even an image of their friend, somebody that they like and somebody they can speak to, and stick it on the wall somewhere, or stick something on their mobile phone. Like I have something on my mobile phone here. And every time you speak, you just look at that and imagine that that's your ideal client and just speak to them. Talk to them, and then your ideal clients, when they come across your videos, they know exactly that you are speaking to them. And that's how you start making sales on TikTok without having the crazy followings. So don't worry about, I don't have enough views, I don't have followings. Just focus on your message and speaking to that one person that needs to hear from you. I hope you like this tip. If you did, follow, like, and save for next tip on how you can start generating leads and more sales on TikTok.